The documentation process with MELAtrace Pro ends with the approval and labelling of the sterilised instruments. To start the batch approval, please confirm the displayed message with Yes. The indicators shown here provide assistance in evaluating the batch indicator. Please document the result of the colour change and click on Next. Now the program log with the process parameters will be displayed. You can write your remarks in the text box. Then either provide approval to all or individual load elements, or withhold approval from the complete batch. This video demonstrates the course of batch approval using the example of withholding approval from individual load elements. Please click on Next to display the list of all sterilised load elements and select the load element which you do not want to approve and assign a reason. You can enter other reasons in the text box on the lower edge of the screen and assign them using the plus symbol. Please click on Next to generate the decontamination report. All the information pertaining to the load and approval, as well as the text and graphic logs from the washer disinfector and steam sterilizer, is summarised in the tamper-proof PDF file. After you've clicked on Completed, you'll be forwarded to the settings for label printing. You can print labels for all or only selected load elements and labels without description using MELAprint 60. The storage duration of the sterilised instruments is preset to 6 months and can be adapted as required. Please click on Print to generate the barcode labels for marking the wrapped instruments. After the application of the instrument, you can transfer the information from the barcode label to the patient records to ensure a complete traceability.